Today we're going to look at the SENS8 outdoor camera, including the package is a user manual, power adapter, sticker, accessories, and the outdoor security camera. So to download, you just go to SENS8, and security, smart alerts. So after looking at the SENS8, you get icon, and you just press to install, and you get a pop-up for create profile. And so you just create your profile, use password, as 1080p with 8 GB, motion detection, Bluetooth connection. You can connect from anywhere in the world. It's weatherproof, has 140 view, auto arm disarm, and 800 lumen LED. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.